Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. On this video, I will show you best AI diagram software you should know. Even now, as a freelancer, I love visually organizing my thoughts when beginning a project. As you know, creating a diagram manually can waste your time and is less efficient. So with AI technology, you can create any diagram or flowchart easily just with the help of AI. I tried the software, namely EdrawMax, which can help you quickly with the help of AI. EdrawMax is best diagram software for AI-powered productivity. There are plenty of diagramming apps with powerful AI features, but if you're looking for flowchart software with the best AI productivity tools, EdrawMax is it. Besides assisting with diagram creation, EdrawMax can summarize files and documents, pull text out of images, edit images, generate reports and images, write copy, and create entire diagrams in the style you select from text prompts. It's easy to get a draft of a diagram in just a few clicks that you can edit with all the expected manual tools, speeding up the diagramming process exponentially. EdrawMax is available for Mac, Windows, Chrome OS iOS, and Android. Download now. Check the link on description to download it. EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagram making tool that can be used for flowcharts, mind maps, fishbone, diagrams, network, plans, office layouts, business cards, infographics, and presentations. There are thousands of templates to choose from, all designed by professionals. You can choose from over 210 types of diagrams, including mind maps, flowcharts, organizational charts, and more. Whether you're planning a business strategy or designing a floor plan, there's something for everyone. Here, I will create a new project. Of course, this project is still empty and there is nothing in this document. Interestingly, you can immediately create a project plan such as a flowchart or any plan with the help of AI. Just click on this Tools section, then the AI chat will appear. Here, you can type the command you want to give the AI the command you want to make. For example, I want to make a business plan flowchart with the help of AI EdrawMax. When you ask to AI, I will generate and send you a strategy that you asked. This is what's interesting about EdrawMax. Whatever you want to ask, EdrawMax AI will help you develop your business. Not only that, this AI can also help you instantly create a flowchart or other diagram. For example, I asked AI and it helped me create a flowchart for my business. As you can see, EdrawMax AI will automatically generate a flowchart. After generating it, you can also edit and add the necessary elements you want to add. You can edit or add the text, change text size, change the style, fill, and many more. Not only that, the best features that I like, that is Edraw AI. You can also edit the results of AI again using AI, such as analyst flowcharts and analyst text. You can also add text elements that you feel are lacking and make it more professional. After that, AI will regenerate and provide better and professional results. You can also create flowcharts or documents that you generate and translate them into various languages. And this feature is very good if you want to translate documents automatically with Edraw AI. As you can see, EdrawMax is very helpful and makes you more efficient in creating any business strategy or diagram you want. So you no longer need to create a diagram manually and spend more time and research to create a diagram for your business. Forget manual and start switching to AI with EdrawMax. Now let's explore another type of diagram called an AI table. This feature allows you to quickly generate structured tables using AI, which can help in organizing data, comparing options, or displaying information efficiently. Simply input the relevant parameters or data, and the AI will create a professional table format for you, saving time and enhancing accuracy. Here, you can explore three powerful features, that is AI Text Assistant, AI Diagram Analysis, and AI Document Analysis. AI Text Assistant helps in generating, refining, or summarizing content quickly and accurately. AI Diagram Analysis evaluates your diagrams for improvements, providing insights and suggestions to enhance clarity and structure. AI Document Analysis allows you to upload documents and get comprehensive summaries or detailed answers, helping you analyze content more effectively. Each feature is designed to streamline your workflow and improve the quality of your output. For example, I will try AI Document Analysis. When you try this feature, EdrawMax will ask you to upload your document. It could be PDF, Word, or something similar. After uploading, AI will automatically explain and summarize the document and explain the important points in the document. You can also ask AI what points you want to know. As I explained previously, EdrawMax has a very diverse range of templates for your business needs. You can also create slides for presentations like PowerPoint. You can search for a template in the search box, then search for any template you want. Then select the template, and the template will automatically create a new document for you. Here, you can edit any details in this template, including adding assets, translations, and you can even add all the images that you can create and generate with AI. Just enter the keywords for the image you want to generate, and I will provide the results for you. After that, you can add the image to your slide so that the slide looks professional. Wondershare EdrawMax is a versatile and powerful diagramming tool that meets a wide range of visual communication needs. Its features, including AI-driven diagram generation, an extensive template library, and seamless collaboration tools, enable users to create professional quality diagrams and flowcharts effortlessly. With its enhanced productivity capabilities, EdrawMax streamlines workflows, making it an invaluable resource for individuals and teams seeking to elevate their projects. EdrawMax is available for Mac, Windows, Chrome OS, and Android. Download now. Check the link on description to download it. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.